was not there. Venkatram came to our house and we thought that we'll, after a lunch made for this, but I used it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohan Pradana. Can we welcome our NRI Usha Atta?
But they are my Periyamma, and her name Ramanjamma they gave to me. I'm proud to be, and I'm very happy to have my grandmother's name. And my grandfather Sri Ramachari, he is very devotee to Krishna. That's why my father told that. He gave all the names of Krishna's names, like N.C. Pardasarthi, first Pardasarthi, and Krishnamachari, and my father Gopalachari, and Satyanarayanachari. No Rama at all. Only he himself Rama. And my Atta is only one daughter, and her name is Padma Lakshmi, but she is a Saraswati. Came down as a Saraswati. When she plays Veena, my father used to tell, and my Periyappa also used to tell, she looks like a Saraswati goddess. So this is the thing. And I used to live, every year I used to come to Madras, Chennai, and lived there the summer time. And I enjoyed the Gopalmaram house like anything. After they sold that house, I felt like, oh no, I want to buy it really, even though I don't have money. But I want to buy the Gopalpuram house, and I want to keep that house. That much love towards that house. And then, and that the Unjal, everything, it's very beautiful and clean, we have to say. And moreover, I learned so many kirtanas also from Periyappa and Periyamma, and they are very lovable to me. And my Periyamma, she used to say me like a daughter, because they are not having girls, only 4 boys like Dasaratha. Dasaratha having 4 boys, like my Periyappa is having 4 boys, like they are like really like Rama brothers. They love each other, they love others also, and they are like that. The flow of love comes like that. And my Periyamma bought me one powder. I remember like 10 years old, that powder I cannot forget it in my lifetime. That is tissue with blue, dark blue tissue, Kanchipattu powder. I loved it. And that one, she bought it for me specially. And Balamurali Krishna and Periyappa, N.C. Pardasarthi, they are both very good friends. I used to see them talking on phone. At that time, only landlines. So they used to talk with each other. And I noted down that one. Because the good chamatkaram, talkativeness, and that is also in music. All the time in music only. Balamurali Krishna garu asked him, ఏమండి మీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి కొంచెం. Sani Dasa. He used to say, okay, 87668. He knows. He knows. And then he asks, how many children you are having? ఎంతమంది పిల్లలు? I'm having మధ్యమం వరకు వచ్చి ఆగానయ్యా. சரிகம்மா 4 பேர் అని சொல்கிறதுக்கு. அப்புறமா இவர் and Periyappa also asking him, உనకు ఎంతని పేరు, నీకు ఎంతమంది పిల్లలు, నీ నా అని మాట్లాడుకునేవారు అనమాట. మీకెంతమంది పిల్లలు అంటే, నాకా ఐ స్టాప్డ్ ఎట్ దైవతం, 6 అలాగా అంతా సంగీతంతో మాట్లాడుకునేవారు. అది చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉండేది నాకు. ఎవ్రీవేర్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ సింగింగ్, when he talks also I have to note down, because so many jokes, very jovial. When he talks, he is very jovial. The family is having that jovial thing. And yeah, everything they told about, they are hard workers, they wrote books and so many things. And they wrote mainly after Professor Sambamurthy wrote all in English books, they started first time in Telugu. That is very useful for Andhra people, not only Andhra people, everybody. It is very useful for the exam sake. I utilize the Ganakala Bodhini for my BA music and MA music and everything. Even my children, grandchildren also utilizing that. It is coming in our family. Everybody sings, everybody plays something or other. Without anything means we think they are not our family. They have to sing, they have to play like that. But yeah, my grandson also singing, my daughter's son, everybody sings. Of course, my mother. My father is N.C. Gopalachari, CTRI director, Central Tobacco Research Institute director. He plays violin too. And my mother, N.C. Bhanumati, she is an AR artist. Thank you for reminding me. I'm noting everything, but I don't want to read everything. Amma and Nana, they are very attached to Periyappa and Periyamma. And as a sister-in-law, my Periyappa and Periyamma loves her. And because of music also. They always sit and sing, always, not talking. Huh? Of course. Yeah, they are related also, relatives. My Amma and Nana are, what do you say, Manamama, not Mama Kuthru. So they are all related, and that's why the flow of music came so much, I think. And even my grandson sings very well, and next time I will make a chance to bring him here. And he knows all 72 Melakirtas. He tells, even I don't know, to say frankly, all the names, but he knows all the 72. And without seeing the book, he can tell. And that is because of their blessings. Thank you very much for giving me a chance. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Atta. It was a wonderful.
Doctor, I'm a physician cum diabetologist. I'm the fourth child of Srimati Rajalakshmi Krishnamachari, and we are really proud and privileged to be here in the centenary celebration of master and teacher. That's how my mother used to call them. And I didn't know there is an agenda that I was supposed to talk today. Only after seeing the paper that I came to know of it, okay. So I'm a little bit nervous. My voice may be shaky.
It's actually very confident than others, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah,
Are
seriously.
you joking at me?
No, I'm very serious.
Okay, see, I was supposed to talk about the feelings and
Yeah, of your mother with association to the.
association with the master and teachers family. See, probably for about 10 years, I guess, no? Till 785 or something, I did come to your place at Gopalapuram. I still remember that house. I used to tell my husband and my daughter also, it used to be a huge house with all sorts of instruments, very spick and span, neatly arranged. And I used to attend classes also with my mother. Though I don't sing regularly now, I used to sing, and my diversion towards studies, stopped my music career. I still remember one song which master used to teach Amma, but I don't know whether I am singing it correctly. The first line alone I still remember. Parvati ninu neneranam iti sukha. I don't know whether I am singing it correctly, but I used to sit along with her when she was learning. Okay. They are Sriram uncle, Mohan mama, Lakshman uncle, Chitti mama. Though my mother has her own blood related brothers, we still in our family, these four people are called the uncles. And what else? And Mohan mama is very very close to us. And he was the one who gave me the stethoscope, Littmann stethoscope, which is supposed to be the best stethoscope for any physician. That too in my third year of MBBS, even before I finished my MBBS. So I still have it, and I still cherish that moment. And I used to tell my friends also, even before I finished my MBBS, I got my Littmann steth. everybody was wondering, because I used to take it to Stanley. When everybody was